Well, hello friends on YouTube wanting to learn about Python and databases. Welcome to another video tutorial on SQLite, and today we are going to talk about retrieving data from the database that we created yesterday. So in this video we are going to talk about the cursor, the execute, fetch all, fetch one and fetch many functions, and we'll demonstrate how this works. So let's just get into it because this is a more practical video series. And when retrieving data, to retrieve the values saved in the tasks table from within a Python program, we create a cursor from a database connection. A cursor produces a consistent view of the data and is the primary means of interacting with a transactional database system like SQLite. So in the last video we interacted with the database itself via the SQLite console, and now we are going to retrieve the data from within a Python program. So let's start writing our program and import SQLite, and then we define the file name of our database, which is todo.db, and then we open the connection to our database file name, and we define our cursor. The connections cursor, and then we execute the cursor, execute, and define our SQL execution, SQL expression, deadline from the table task, where project is equal to same, and then we loop over the rows. Details, status, and deadline, and print it out with this special formatting. To have, let's make it 8, and put this in brackets, and we need the arguments that we want in there. Task ID, priority, details, status, and deadline. Save the file as SQLite 3, tasks, and we need to save it in our correct folder, and we run the file, and we have a bug in our program, and no details. Typing is very important. And we get our query. So querying is a two-step process. First, run the query with the cursor's execute method to tell the database engine what data to collect. Then use fetch all to retrieve the results. The return value is a sequence of tuples containing the value of the columns included in the select clause of the query. We can see that here. The row is a tuple. So to also demonstrate the fetch one and fetch many functions, the results can be retrieved one at a time with fetch one, or in fixed size batches with fetch many. So I'm just going to copy this line here and create our new file. To do define our connection. Then define cursor. Deadline from project where name equal to saying, and then we get the name description, and then deadline, which is cursor fetch one, and let's print out something. Since it access a new line, format, and then the description, name, arguments, and deadline. Excuse me. Sorry about that. ID priority details status deadline equals to row, then where project is equal to same and order by deadline. For row and cursor dot fetch many SQLite priority else status and row, and then we do our formatted printing. Hopefully this should work. Variations .py, and we need to save it in the right folder. Let's see, no this ID. Sorry guys, just a typo here again. And details, get it correct. And we get our results now. So the value passed to fetch many is the maximum number of items to return. If fewer items are available, the sequence returned will be smaller than the maximum value. So these are just two short examples on working with these functions, and I hope you have enjoyed learning about SQLite and working with databases in Python in this video. And if you have, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, or comment on the video, and hope to see you in the next video. Okay, bye guys.